New Year. What day is it? It's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Happy January 1st, 2019. If you guys didn't see yesterday's vlog, I'm gonna link it right up here in the card area, or the past 2 days vlog. Hope you guys had a really great New Year's Eve, and hope you guys are having a great start to the new year, because we are going to crush it. We are going to kill it with our goals this year. On the topic of the new year, I wanted to share with you guys something that I purchased when we went to Six Flags the other day, and I feel really bad because I should have purchased one of these for Abby. You guys know my whole thing with mugs. I have a mug collection, and the only place I have never bought a mug, it's from Six Flags. This last trip was the first time in, I don't know how many years. How many years has it been since we've had our pass? Has it been about 4 years? So this is the first time in 4 years I've seen a mug. I was like, wow, this is such a nice mug. I'm gonna get it. And I also ended up purchasing one for Derren. So Abby, my apologies, I will be purchasing a mug for you next time we head over there. And this is the mug, you guys. I really love it. Six Flags on the handle. And then it has an overview of the rides: Twisted Colossus, X2, which you guys know is my favorite, Goliath, another one of my favorites, Viper, which we don't go on because that thing will just bang up your head, Tatsu, Full Throttle, 6 times the Fury, and then the little sweetener that I think makes this mug really unique, gives you some details about each of the ride, their maximum speed. This was actually pretty inexpensive. It was $12.99 for this mug. Let's first get our coffee because I wanted to share with you a couple of new things, planners, and a new idea also for my channel on top of the cooking series. So let's go grab some coffee. We're gonna use our new Six Flags mug. Oh my gosh, is that it? There's like barely anything in there. It's all right. This is my planner, I think from about, is it just August? It was just August. Although I really love this planner because of the layout. The only problem I found with this was that it was just too bulky for me to carry around. These are the 2 planners I will be using. This for, I think, about 2 years now. This is the Kate Spade planner. It's the zip around. This is what you will find when you open my planner. It's still pretty basic. These dividers, it says Christine, so this is kind of like the page tab for the week, and then this one says calendar, today, notes, and then finance at the very end. Then we have this really pretty diamond rose gold pen, which I purchased, I think, from TJ Maxx. Daily planner of things that I need to do for the day. Very simplistic, as you guys can see. For each month, I kind of just have a little post-it, which I got from Target Dollar Spot actually I think a year ago. And behind that I just have some finance stuff for the month so I can see it at the beginning of each month. And then I have a space here for notes, for finance at the very end. It's kind of like the catch-all planner, and then this is gonna be kind of like my planner for jotting everything down. So say if I'm gonna be filming my 2018 Obsessions video tomorrow, so I can actually write down all the items, like say blush, lipsticks. I can write all of that down here on the page, or if I need to purchase some items from Target, I have my list right here, and I can just bring this with me. I have my catch-all, which is still perfect for my backpack, and then I have this one, which I can just take with me on the go if I'm running errands and stuff. Or I can bring both of them. It is a lot smaller, also a little bit thicker in that aspect, but the problem really was this is just a bit too tall for me to take daily in my backpack, or I would have to leave it in the car, or I would have to carry it around, which then if I end up carrying it around, I might forget it. That's the first thing I wanted to talk about. Second thing I wanted to talk about are the vlogs. At the end of Vlogmas, that I will still be daily vlogging up through the 31st. And we did that, except instead of it being a daily vlogs, it turned into like a combination of 2 days. I'm gonna do that for 2019. Keep up with the content that I want to put up on my channel Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, plus the vlogs. Instead of doing the weekly vlogs, pretty cool, you know, to try. I think that I can manage. Just really wanted to push myself in 2019. with goals, and of course still keeping in the track of beauty, because beauty videos I absolutely love. I watch beauty videos all the time, but I also wanted to incorporate other things into this channel. Now we're gonna have a cook with me series once a week. I can tell you guys like that I feel very nervous about, to be honest. Kind of have a vision of what I want to do, how I want to set it up and everything, so it's gonna be a work in progress. But my goal is by the end of 2019 is to definitely, at least I can feel confident cooking for people, not just my family, but for other people, and not feel like, oh my gosh, you know, I'm the one who cooked that, does it taste okay? I don't want to feel like that. I want to feel confident when I bring a dish somewhere. Alright guys, so I know I talked my head off. I have a couple things I need to finish up. So we're actually in Valencia. Since this is technically Derren's like less than 24 hours here in Cali, so we asked him what he wanted to do. We're gonna go get his favorite boba, which is from Boba Master here in Valencia, but we're gonna go eat first because we haven't eaten since last night. I'm hungry, I'm a little bit hangry, I'm sure the fam's hangry. Vegetarian pho and beef broth. It's basically has vegetables, deep fried tofu. Derren's pho with greens, chicken with red rice, and some vegetables. That looks really good. So we're at Boba Master. This is their top 10. Oreo smoothies number 5. Go, hit it. It's cute. Okay, you guys, this is like my last boba for a while. I'm not gonna have any boba for at least a month. So this is the Oreo smoothie boba, regular boba, and I guess this is called popping boba. It's the same kind that you can find at Menchie's. Derren got his last boba for a while, at least from Boba Master, and then Hubs got something else. What did you get? A coffee? Cappuccino. Oh my gosh, you guys, check this out. There is a whole display for the creme shop. Wow. CVS in Valencia. They have a new display of the creme shop makeup. I'm gonna get some of their lippies, highlight and blush. We're gonna be printing out some pictures to put on my vision board. Morning, you guys. Derren is going back to I was gonna say Fort Jackson. No.
Fort Bragg.
Fort Bragg. He's going back to Fort Bragg today. Flight's at 6 a.m. so it's like 3:30 in the morning.
Hey. Shout out to my CFCY family.
We actually have gate passes, so we get to go to the actual gate with Derren. Since he's military.
She got a video so that she could, because she just looks through it.
Bye, Ren. We're gonna miss you. I'm sure we're gonna see you in June. I know we're gonna see you in June.
Bye, Mom.
You think, okay?
I'll let you know when I can take leave.
Okay. Good morning, you guys. Gonna start the day off with some coffee. Early this morning, we took Derren to the airport. He's currently waiting for his connecting flight. He's already in North Carolina. I think he's in Charlotte, but then he will be taking another flight to Fayetteville, where he is stationed. I know we will see him for sure sometime this year. Get our coffee. I don't think I've used this marble mug throughout Vlogmas, so this is what we're gonna use today. It was just really nice to have him home for the holidays, It seemed like the 2 weeks went by very quickly. We have got a bunch of stuff to do today. I'm actually about to wash Darren's bed sheets, tidy up his room a bit. I have some work stuff I need to attend to, emails, all this stuff. By the way, you guys, it was so cold last night. Like, I mean, I was freezing last night. Weren't you cold last night? Yeah, it was freezing. It was like, I think low 40s. I don't know, that was just freezing for us. It was cold for like California. Guys, I am sitting here on my MacBook. I'm going through my emails. I already deleted some emails on my personal, meaning the sent, the old, and spam. Spam emails, I had like 461. But on my personal email, you guys, I deleted 27,000. This is the amount of emails I had in my personal email. And my personal email, I've had that for years and years and years, but I never ever check this email spam that gets sent there. I want to say probably a good 90% of the emails are spam. A really crazy amount of emails, and I have gone through them occasionally, but it's every couple of months. If you want to contact me, definitely through my business email, twilightchick143@gmail.com, because this personal email of mine, if you know my personal email, I never ever check it. Guys, look what the hubs brought me. I thought this was so sweet. If you open it, it's the Hello Kitty times Sugarfina gummies. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't even want to eat it. But let me show you on the back exactly what it is. Sanrio times Sugarfina Hello Kitty candy bento box. You have the bow gummies, Mama's apple pie gummies, lazy egg gummies, and then sweet pearls. I'm probably gonna film a trying out these gummies video, because oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here for today. Oh, I didn't tell you, I went through the 27,000 emails. It's down to 0, thankfully. So we did a bunch of things today. I was able to kind of clear everything that I needed to take care of, and then I can wake up tomorrow and start editing, start filming, and I feel good. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another vlog.